is going on? Today I get to do whatever I want. So she says. Isn't that true?
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday, so I get to do whatever I want. Today I'm going on a jet ski. Gab's not going on a jet ski because she doesn't quite fancy it. But I'm going to go out on a jet ski and blast around in the ocean for 20 minutes. Here we are, back on the beach. I've got my hat ready to go. Sorry, Gab. You okay?
Okay, you?
Good.
Oh yeah, and I can just go here.
Yeah, you're going to sunbathe there. Yeah, you can have a massage while you wait.
I'm alright.
Where is he? Matey boy, hello.
He was in there.
Need to find the geezer. Is that okay?
Yeah, just here.
Yeah, please, mate. Yeah.
What name?
What's your name?
Pet.
Pet.
You?
Nice to meet you. T. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Thank you. There we are then. Just signed my life away. I'm ready to go. Right, I'm heading over to this one now. So audio won't be quite as good, but I'm getting water.
If you want to go Denmark first. Okay, okay, ได้ได้โอเคโอเค
Oh, we go then, sport fans. Absolutely loving life in the middle of the ocean in Koh Samui, Thailand. On a jet ski. Been on a jet ski for so long, I forgot how good they are. I mean, they're great for about half an hour, but yeah, mint. Happy birthday to mint. Up and down the beach, well, on the sea, but it's actually decent. This is absolutely delightful out here. Koh Samui. We'll have another little blast down there, and it might be time to head in. Thank you. Thank you very much. There we are then, sports fans. Done my birthday treat. And just like that, we are back on dry land. Been out in the Koh Samui ocean. Love that. That was good. Scratched an itch of a bit of adrenaline. I think that's what I needed, just a bit of an adrenaline boost. Hit me with some speed and some vigour. So yeah, love that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That was
Thank
good.
you very much.
I appreciate that. Thank you. That was good.
Yeah.
Mega. It was good. Thank you.